talk about why every photographer needs an everyday carry camera. So I'm not usually about the hype when it comes to cameras. I'm definitely a photographer that likes functionality more than what's the latest and greatest shit. So if you've been following my channel for a while, the Fujifilm X100V has been my go-to when it comes to everyday carry. Let's take it a step back though and talk about where I started when it came to photography. Landscape photography is where I started. I've shot everything from basic landscapes to long exposure landscapes. I needed more of a challenge, so I started shooting other things. Over time, I shot weddings, I shot portraits, I shot all these things. But now, I always seem to go back to shooting basic landscapes, and that's where this thing comes in. You could call it landscape photography, you could call it street photography. I just like to shoot whatever's around. Everyday carry cameras has been essential to me still enjoying to do this and continuing to shoot whatever I want, whenever I want. Something about picking up a camera and just going. Doesn't have to be technical. I'm not worried about what lens I have. I'm not worried about what lighting situation I will be in. Something like this always brings me back to when I first started. And that's the point. Doing exactly what I enjoy doing before all the technical shit. Now you may say, Simon, you have all this gear now. Yeah, I do, but realistically, this is as basic as it comes when shooting. The simplicity of a camera like this is what makes it enticing to purchase a camera like this. That's why I think when the Fujifilm X106 came out, the pre-orders were absolutely bananas. Now, I don't have much on this camera. As you can see, I have a everyday filter on here, Bipolar Pro, but that's about it. Again, I'm keeping this as minimal as possible. A recommendation that I have for people who are still wanting to shoot all the time is get yourself an everyday carry camera. It doesn't have to be this one. It could be literally any one you want. I'm kind of done with people overcomplicating shit, and I'm sticking back to the basics when it comes to shooting. It's your boy Simon. Hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.